Hey, what's up, guys? How's things and how was the day of trading today? So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you guys what is a support and what's a resistance. Basically, a support and a resistance is a very beautiful way of understanding the candlestick patterns and understanding the styles of how a chart makes uh, you know a pattern out of it. So that is basically called a support and resistance. Again, what happens is every market or every chart follows a pattern. Like the candles go up and down, up and down, up and down, up, 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 down, 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 down. But what they do is on every time frame the chart follows its pattern. It makes a very beautiful pattern, and it respects the previous candles, and it makes sure that it respects the current market with the previous candlestick patterns. So that is basically called a support and a resistance. So now over here, first I'm gonna show you guys what is a support and resistance look like when you download some tools or from the MQL5 market. So here is one of the tool. uh, there are plenty of it. It's not like which one to download or which one not to download. You all can find a couple of them in the MQL5 website of support and resistance. If you search over there, just write support and resistance indicator, you will get a couple of them. So just download any one of them and drag and drop it on your chart, and this is how it's going to look like. So my time frame is H4, and I have my support and resistance dragged and dropped over here. It says R3, it says R2, it says R1. It shows you the daily pivot, the purple line, and then I get S1, S2, S3, means support 1, support 2, and support 3. So what happens is, and how this works now, you can say, like, to explain you guys in simple words, on every resistance and every support, though it's R1, R2, or R3, though it is S1, S2, or S3. So every resistance and every support has a lock. Yes, guys, it has a lock, and the trader tries its level best of placing the buy orders, or the sell orders, to make sure that he or she they break the support or the resistance. So now what happens is how we win and how we lose, and how success like how do we become successful, and what happens when we become successful in breaking the support and the resistance. So guys, what happens is, let's assume that the market is it's going down. Okay, so what's going to happen is, if you guys trade on support and resistance, you guys will see that whenever the candle hits the S1, it's going to keep dancing over here for a while, and it's going to go back up, and again the traders are going to try pushing it down, but the candle will go down, but then again it's going to come back up. So the traders are it's going to be a clear view that the traders are struggling to break this S1, and they are not able to break the S1. They are able to break it, and then the market comes back again. So they are not, so they need a lot of cons, and they need a lot of orders, and a lot of sellers to push the market down, but they are not successful. So they try their level best, and then what happens is the candle is moving, 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 and then all of a sudden there will be so many orders in sell that the market will break the support. So now how do you come to know that the support is broken? So guys, it's very easy. Let's say if my time frame is H4, my current time frame is H4, so my candles will be like, every time there is 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 12 o'clock, I'm gonna get new candles, right? So let's say I'm at the edge of I'm at the edge of support one. Sorry, I'm at the edge of support one, and it's almost 355, and the candle is dancing over here, and 355, 356, 357, the candle starts going down. So now, if my candle, if the candle breaks over here under the support by 4 o'clock or 4:01, that means the support has broken, and now there are high chances of the candle to go down towards S2. So the traders are successful to break the lock, Or now take it another way around. So what's going to happen is 355, 56, 57, 58, 59, and all of a sudden by 4, the candle is going to come back up, you know. So it's going to be clearly understood that no, the support is not able to, the sellers are not able to break the support. So the candle has gone back up again. So once the candle goes back up again, there are high chances for the market now to go up. So if the candle breaks at 4 o'clock or 4:01 under the support, then there are high chances for the market to fall down. So the same the same lies vice versa for the resistances as well. So guys, that's it of support and resistance. There is no much rocket science in this, and nothing more, nothing less. It's very easy. Support 1, support 2, support 3. Every time the trader breaks the S2, he takes the candles till S3, and then from S3 it comes back up. So the same lies for R1, R2, R3. If the candle is dancing over here between 3 to 4, and sorry, between 355, 56, 57, 58, 59, 4. So if by the 4 p.m. the candle breaks down the R1, then it's clearly understood that the candle is going to go down. But if by 4 p.m. or 4:01, if the candle breaks over here, if the candle breaks in this area, that means the resistance 1 has broken, and now there are high chances for the candles to go at resistance 2. Your market can go at R2. So now let me explain you guys what is how to understand on the naked chart that what support and resistances look like. So guys, see here on H4 uh, how the market follows the pattern. See, over here there was a very strong very strong support, and it followed the pattern of this market over here, and now it followed the pattern of this previous candles over here, and then the market took a push back up, and then again now this was a very strong support. This area was a very strong support, and the market fell extremely down from here, but then the market is going to go back up. So this candle respected this candle, but it slightly went down, but it came back up again. And it's the same. If you zoom out and you see over here, see, this was a very strong support over here, very very strong support in this area. It was on 6th May 2020, and you see the market respected the same area again. The market respected here on 24th of June somewhere. The market respected this support, and then the market couldn't fall down from here more, and then the market went up again. So there are a couple of same examples. Like let's say over here now, this was a very strong support, very very strong support, and the market reached over here, and then the market couldn't go down more because it followed the previous pattern. So the market always makes a pattern, and it always respects its previous pattern. It's not like the market keeps breaking. Let's say if a market breaks the previous pattern, that means that the market is trying to build a new pattern. So it tried building a new pattern over here, but then it couldn't follow. It couldn't respect the previous pattern, so it went down up till here. So now it went down over here, it got respected here, and it got respected here as well. So this was again one of the patterns over here, and see the market tried respecting it, but the market went up a little bit, just like 400 points, but it respected the previous pattern. So the market always makes patterns. So guys, I hope you all understood how support and how resistances and how the market patterns work out. So if you all see in the history, it's like it's very beautiful over here. See this over here. It made a previous pattern and then it's respected, and same lies for the complete history of this USD JPY H4 chart. So that's it, guys. I hope the video was clearly understood. And if you all have any questions on support and resistances or the chart templates, you all are most welcome to ask me. Just drop me at ForexNawaab@gmail.com or drop me at WhatsApp. Thank you so much for watching the videos, guys, and stay blessed and have a wonderful weekend. See you. Bye bye.